Hello my friends, welcome back to my PopMax video. In today's video, I am going to try to make an attempt to withdraw $370 live in PopMax. And after the withdrawal, I am going to also show you within PopMax how to convert PUSD to PPT and then how to convert PPT to USDT. This is how you are going to be able to withdraw successfully into your decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, SafePal, or MetaMask wallet. So let's head to my mobile phone. Let's get that started. All right, so I want to show you again how to make a withdrawal in PopMax. So if you head to your Trust Wallet, as usual, sign into your Trust Wallet and then go to your PopMax. On your PopMax, click on income. Once you're on income, you will see your total pool balance here. Okay, and you will see your pool earning. So what you want to do at this point is to click transfer to assets balance. So you click on transfer to asset balance. Okay, so that will now take you to this point. On this page, what you need to do is to click on max if you want to withdraw everything that you have in your pool balance. You will see your available balance will be displaying there. Okay, 370. Some people will have 3,700. Some people will have $10,000 to withdraw, depending on how much you put in. In this particular account that I use for demo, it is $370 that I want to withdraw today. Okay, this is not my first withdrawal video, just so you know. I have made withdrawals multiple times in this platform. So I am going to click on max because I want to take everything. Okay, and then once I click on max, what you need to do then is you need to slide this button. Okay, we also notice that there is a fee of 10%, which is coming up to a total of $37 for the fee for the amount of money that I'm withdrawing, 370. If you take away 10%, that will be $37 that they are going to deduct from the 370. So always remember that there is a 10% charge for every single withdrawal that you want to make. Okay, so I'm going to slide this button from left to right just now. Okay, so that is me transferred my PUSD to my internal wallet within my PopMax. Remember that we get paid in PUSD, so you first of all transfer this PUSD to your internal wallet. So after that, go back to your assets. So click on your assets. Okay, when you click on your asset, you will notice that you have $333 after they've taken away the charges, okay, for withdrawal. So you click on swap. Okay, when you click on swap, you want to swap your PUSD, okay, to PPT, because PPT is the token that are being traded in those 4 different exchanges I have mentioned to you before. Okay, so now I am going to click on max. Okay, when I click on max, it's going to give me 788.61 PPT, and I'm going to slide this swap button from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to swap it from left to right, and it says swap success. Now bear in mind, when you are swapping or converting your PUSD to PPT, there are no charges at all. It is free to swap within your PopMax wallet. So after you have swapped it, you go back again to your assets. So click on your assets. Okay, when you click on your assets, you will see the withdraw button. So click on withdraw button. Okay, so right here, it will tell you that you are withdrawing PPT and your amount of PPT that is available is 788, and I want to withdraw all of it. So I'm going to click on max. Okay, so when I click on max, it's going to come up with the total PPT that I have. Okay, and what I will now do is I will now slide this button from left to right. Now bear in mind that your withdrawal will go straight to your wallet that you use to register for PopMax. And because it is a blockchain transaction, you will have to wait a few seconds for confirmation on the blockchain before it will hit your Trust wallet. Okay, now also remember that the minimum you can withdraw, okay, is 100 ppt. Okay, and 100 ppt is about $42 now. So I am withdrawing more than that, which is okay. So next thing, slide this withdraw button from left to right. So you will notice that it says I have insufficient BNB, okay, because BNB is what they use for gas fees. It is important that you have enough BNB in your Trust wallet before you make your withdrawal. Okay, so I am going to add more BNB into my Trust wallet and then I will make this withdrawal. So now I have transferred some BNB into my wallet. So I am going to go back to Discover and I'm going to go back to my PopMax. So now I will now make my withdrawal. So I will click on withdraw and I'll enter max and I will slide the button from left to right. And it's going to ask me to approve. And I'm going to enter my password. And then it takes a few minutes for this to go through. So there you go. It says withdrawal success. And 788 ppt has been transferred to my wallet. Okay. So I am going to dash back into my Trust wallet just now. And then go to home. And then I should have my PPT here soon. So there you go. As I refreshed, you saw my PPT there. Okay. So that's my PPT in my Trust wallet. As you can see, that's PPT there. Okay. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to swap this PPT into USDT. Okay. So I'm going to swap this just now. So hang on. Let me swap it for you. So click on it. And then you will see swap button at the bottom right. So click on swap. And then it's going to ask you to swap from PPT to BNB if you wish. Okay. But I'm not going to swap it to BNB. I'm going to swap it to USDT. So if I click into BNB and select USDT BNB Smart Chain. Okay. So I am going to enter the amount of PPT that I want to withdraw. Okay, so I have 788 PPT. So I'm going to type in 788. Okay, so then I will now, it's going to give me 326 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to click done. So then I will just click confirm. And that should swap my PPT to USDT, guys. So this is excellent. Sorry, guys, I had to go to my laptop to finish this transaction, but this is good. So you can see now that I have my USDT in BNB Smart Chain, $329. This is excellent, guys. So as you can see, PopMax is working perfectly okay. There you go, my friends. So PopMax is working fine. As you can see, the withdrawal works very well. If you have your Trust wallet on your mobile phone, you can do the same. If you have it on your Google browser extension on your computer, you can also make the withdrawal from there. So guys, PopMax is working perfectly okay. You saw the withdrawal happen and everything was done live. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next PopMax video. Now, for those of you that are looking to join PopMax, the link to do so is below this video description. As I said before, I have done a video on how to sign up if you wish to do so. The link also is below this video description with the link to the video showing you how to register. It's not difficult at all if you just follow the instructions, or if you are that kind of person that like to follow text instruction. I have also written text instruction below. Guys, don't miss this, okay? Because we are earning daily 1% when you stake on the 360 days contract. Okay, that is what you get. It's easy. You don't have to click many things. You are just only going to, stake your money and let the system perform its magic by automatically crediting your account on a daily basis, your profit, and you can withdraw on a daily basis as well. Once more, to sign up, the link is below this video description. Please share this video with your friends and family. If they are in PopMax and they are struggling to withdraw, this video will help them to withdraw. Thank you and God bless.